Good day, everyone. We are going to report personal creative reflection. My name is Angel Santos. Okay, next. My life timeline. On the left side of the slide, a collage of photo is arranged to the highlight memorable experience from different stages of my life. This may include family gatherings, school events, childhood moments, and personal achievement. This arrangement reflects to that journey from the childhood to the present, showing how each phase contributes to shaping the person's character and values. It suggests that the beliefs and perseverance and hard work as the key to overcoming challenges and achieving goals. Okay, next. Next. Philosophical perspective. Learning about George Herbert Mead's philosophical perspective, I discovered that who I am is not just based on my personal thoughts and feelings, but is also deeply influenced by interaction with other people. Mead's idea that the self is developed through social interaction helped me realize how much of my identity has been shaped by the people around me. I learned that there are two parts of self, the I, which is personal, spontaneous side, and the me, which is how I see myself based on how others see me. Dito is marirealize mo yung pagkatao ko ay hindi lang galing sa sarili, kundi sa damdamin din. Kundi ang epekto nito, ang nakakaapekto nito yung mga tao sa paligid ko. Ayon kay Mead, ang self ay nakagde-develop sa pamamagitan ng social interaction. Kung paano tayo nakikipag-ugnayan sa iba. Okay, next. Self-assessment. Sa self-assessment naman is, binubuo ito ng section 1 is personal values. Sa section 2 is strength and weaknesses. Sa section 3 is emotional intelligence. Section 4, relationship and communication. Section 5, goal, goals and inspiration. Sa dulo naman is yung reflection. Okay, next. Spiritual aspect. My experience, both good and bad, have played a big role in shaping who I am, not just one side, but deep within. The spiritual aspect as of myself is where I find meaning, inner strength, and deeper connection to something beyond the material world. Whether through quiet prayer, reflecting alone, or just spending time in nature, I started to feel a part of something greater. These personal moments helped me discover that I am more than just my struggle, that my life was purpose, even if don't always see it right way. Dito naman is yung experience mo, good or bad, is nakakatulong para sa akin. Just ang pinagdadaanan ko ay naging daan para makilala ko yung sarili ko. Sa spiritual naman is bahagi ito ng pagkatao. Doon ko nahanap ang kahulugan ng buhay at lakas ng loob para makakonnection sa ibang tao at sa mga bagay. Through quiet prayer, kahit mag-isa ka, kahit mag-isa ka, kahit simpleng oras eh, napipil ko na something is greater. Okay, next slide. Final reflection. Meets concept of the I, that the me, help me identify two important parts of myself. The I is inner personal response to situation, while that the me is how I see myself based on society expectation. This though that I am constantly balancing my true self with how I believe others perceive me. Because of this, become more aware of the role I played in different situations and how those roles influence my behavior decision. Through this reflection is I also discover my core values, the belief that guide how I live. This include the respect, honesty, kindness, and responsibility and growth. Ito naman is yung I and me is nakaka-understand two important parts of myself. Yung I ay aking personal at natural na reaction sa mga situation. Ito ang totoong ako. Samantalang ang me ay kung paano ko napapakita sa sarili ko base sa inaasahan ng lipunan. Dahil dito natutunan ko laging binabalanse ang aking tunay na sarili at imahe ko sa paningin ng iba. Um, Next slide. Final reflection that I am not alone, that I am connected to sometimes greater than myself, and there is meaning even in the struggle I face. This experience helped me become more resilient, more hopeful, and more in touch with my inner self. From those experience, I also discover my core values, the guiding principle that influence how I live and make decisions. Honesty is help stay true to myself and others. Respect and responsibility guide I guide how I interact with people and handle challenges. Compassion reminds me to treat others with kindness. Dito naman is I learned that I am not alone and that I am connected to something greater than myself. Natutunan ko na kahit may mga pagsubok akong hinaharap, may kaulugan pa rin ang lahat ng ito. This experience helped me become more resilient, more hopeful, and more connected to my inner self. Sa mga karanasang ito, natuklasan ko rin ang aking mga core values, mga prinsipyo na gumabay sa aking buhay at mga desisyon. Honesty helps me to stay to myself and others. Ang respect at responsibility ang nagsisilbing gabay kung paano ako nakikitungo sa ibang tao at humarap sa mga hamon. At yung compassion ay paalala na lagi kong pipiliin maging mabuti sa kapwa. Yun lang. Next slide. So, dito na po nagtatapos ang aking report for thank you po.